Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence, CEO of the Lawrence Group Company, the International School of Language, the Europa Christ Company, and the Christ Light Company. Welcome in this video. In this video, I want to talk to you about the difference between the IELTS test and the TOEFL test. The IELTS test stands for the International English Language Testing System, whereas the TOEFL test stands for the test of English as a foreign language. Okay, did you get it? All right. Now, all these tests are divided into four sections, four major sections, or the only four sections that are available in this test. All right. The first section is the reading section. The second section is the writing section. The third section is the listening section. And the fourth section is the speaking section. All right. Now, what is happening in this text? In the IELTS test, we have in the reading section 1 hour of reading, 3 texts, and 40 questions to answer. Meaning you have 1 hour to actually read different texts and three different texts and to answer 40 different questions. Whereas in the TOEFL test, we have 60 to 10 to 100 minutes. You have 3 to 5 passages with each 12 to 14 questions. All right. Meaning over here, we have more questions than in the IELTS test. We have more in the reading section. We have, for the TOEFL test, we have more questions than, we might have more questions than in the IELTS test. All right. But it's almost the same, but it's a slight difference, and we have more time to answer. In the writing section, for the IELTS, you have 1 hour to write two different tasks. The first task will take 20 minutes maximum, and it must be 150 words. The second task must take 40 minutes and must be 250 words. Now, this is for the IELTS test. Now, when we move for the TOEFL test, we have 50 minutes to write the first task, which is an integrated task of 20 minutes. Integrated task here is, it means that you have to write something based on what you're reading or listening. They will give you some tips. The second task is an independent task. It has 30 minutes. All right, maximum 50 minutes. All right, this is for the TOEFL test. Now we move to the listening section. Unless you have questions, you can put it down in the comments, and we're gonna come up with another video. All right. Now, in the listening section, we have 30 minutes plus 10 minutes, 40 questions. Now, before I even move here, let me give you some important tips that will help you. When you check here, it's written integrated task, all right, and independent task, meaning there are two different tasks. They are different from each other. Okay, take note of this. They are they are different from each other, and we're gonna come up with video with more detail, a detailed video to explain these differences. Okay, so do not be shocked that I didn't go deeper, because I'm coming back with another video, a second video with in-depth understanding of these two that may help you to know what you are waiting from each of the tests. Now I will come up with another video of IELTS test and another video of TOEFL test. This is just in brackets, so stay tuned for more videos. For the listening section, I was here. We have 30 minutes plus 10 minutes. The 30 minutes is the 30 minutes for reading, or for listening to the to the section. We have two sections, to the social and academic um, academic section. It means there are two different sections in the listening. The first section is like talking about something social, and the second one talk about something academic. And you have 30 minutes to listen and 10 minutes to write or to answer 40 questions about whatever you have listened to. Okay, did you get it? This is for the IELTS test. Now, when we move for the TOEFL test, we have 60 to 90 minutes and 2 to 3 conversations with 5 questions each. And then you have 4 to 6 lectures with six questions each, which means you understand what's going on here. We have more time here than we have in IELTS test. And we move to the speaking section. In the speaking section for IELTS test, we have 11 to 40 minutes for an interview, all right? And for the TOEFL test, we have 20 minutes to speak about something familiar, uh, something familiar. I mean, familiar experiences. It can be something that is known, well known to you, or something familiar. And then another one is summarize something that you read or you listen that will be given to you. All right, that's the second type. Now you have 20 minutes to speak about this. Now you see the difference. You can notice that the IELTS test is much more easier than the TOEFL test, because the TOEFL test has a lot of questions, has a lot of time, and requires a lot, maybe much energy than the IELTS test, unless this one has difficult questions. Now, thank you very much for watching me. I will come up with another video on IELTS test, separate video for IELTS test and TOEFL test, so that we may understand each test separately, what it stands for. Now, see you soon for more upcoming videos. This is Lawrence, CEO of Lawrence Group International School of Languages, Europa Christ Company, and Christ-led company. Thank you. See you.